Shorty bad, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the
Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess, and today's video is going to be a hair review on this hair that I got from Luxury Hair Silhouette. Okay, so this is their Cambodian Rich Wavy Curly, and I have it in 26, 24, 22, and I have a matching 20-inch lace closure. This is a wig that I created, and if you want to inquire about having me make you a wig, you can email me at vanityinsanity119@gmail.com. Right now I'm only making closure wigs, okay, no frontals. All right, so previously I have already reviewed their hair. I reviewed the Cambodian Luxe Natural Wave, and I will have that video down in the bottom bar because that hair is so bomb. I still rock that hair to this day. It is so amazing. So I definitely wanted to try another texture when she reached out to me to kind of do this review. Okay, so the difference between the wavy curly and the natural wave is basically the pattern. Okay, so the quality is still there, but the pattern is different. So the natural wave, I will have that listed down in the bottom bar if you want to see how it looks and if you want to see my full review on that hair. But in this video we're going to speak only about this hair. Okay, so this is raw hair, so the curl patterns go according to the donor. Okay, so it will be very similar, but no two bundles will be the same, okay, because each individual bundle is from one donor. Okay, and I think that the closure matches very well. The only thing I would say is that it does start off a little straight, so I decided to do a middle part. At first I was rocking it with a side part, and I will insert a clip or like a picture so that you can see what it looks like with the side part, and it looked so beautiful. Like, it was so beautiful. But today I was just feeling like a middle part. Like, for the review I was just like, I want to do a middle part. Like, I haven't had middle part curly in a while, so that's what I wanted to do, and I absolutely love the way it came out. I added a little bit of baby hair, and yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, now if it was a curlier pattern, then I would probably have a complaint about like it being a little straight the way it starts off, but because it is wavy curly, I think it goes. It looks really pretty. It has like a natural look to it. I absolutely love it. The luster on this hair is definitely I would say medium. It's not too high and it's not too, like, you know, low, so it's like a medium luster. So really quick, I'm gonna show you the packaging and how the hair looks when you first receive it, and then we'll come back for the rest of the review. Okay, so let's get into the goodies. This is the box that your hair is going to come in, and this is from Luxury Hair Silhouette. When you open it up, the first thing inside is a thank you card from the owner, Tiffany, which is so freaking pretty. It also has a 20% off coupon in her handles as far as social media. And then your hair is in this beautiful white satchel, and this is the order number / receipt. The first thing I got in here was a storage bag with a hanger. As you can see, you could put your bundles and your closure inside, or if you get a wig made, you could put it in there to store it. I love this. All right, and this is the Cambodian Rich Wavy Curly, and I have 3 bundles, 26, 24, 22, and a 20-inch lace closure, and this is what it looks like up close. Okay, so that's how the packaging looks. Accessory that I love that you could get from them is the Luxury Hair Silhouette extension storage bag with the hanger. So basically it is a I have it, but I cannot find it to save my life. I don't know where it's at, but yeah, it's basically just a hanger for your unit. So like if you wash it, it comes in handy, I promise you. If you wash it, you can put it on a hanger, and once it's dry, you can put it inside of the storage bag, which is perfect because you will not lose your hair, and you will not confuse your hair with other wigs that you may have lying around. Or if you choose to get this hair and not have a wig and you want to get, you know, a weave done, you have a storage bag to bring with you to your salon, or you know, whoever does your hair. So I love that they have those type of accessories. So as far as the shedding, honestly, not one problem with shedding, tangling, or matting. Like, not one problem. I literally have nothing bad to say when it comes to that. This hair is raw, so it has not been processed. So no, I did not color it black. This is the natural color of the hair, but then again, it will vary. But if you want something specific, like a tighter wave curl or something a little bit looser, you can always talk to the owner, because again, raw hair, like, you know, the bundles will have slight differences because they come from one donor. So that's a good thing. You get to have the type of pattern that you like. And the owner is so freaking professional and just wonderful. I love the owner. She is such a sweet woman, and I would definitely recommend, if you wanted to check out some good hair, that this is a place that you would check out. Okay, so as far as can this hair be like colored, flat ironed, and you know, will it revert? Yes, the answer to all of that is yes. Okay, so this hair can be colored. You could bleach it, you could dye it, you could pretty much do whatever you want, because this is the perfect hair to do it to. It has not been processed at all. And you can flat iron this hair. As you can see, the curl pattern isn't like ridiculously like tight, so it'll be really quick and easy to do. And yes, it will revert back to this pattern. I would just suggest that you use some type of heat protectant on the hair so that you don't give it heat damage. Okay, now as far as my wash routine, I pretty much do the overnight wash routine anytime that I want to have fresh curls in the morning. You could let it, you know, get a little frizzy. It will start to get a little bigger, and it will also look way more natural. But me, I kind of like it to be like this, so I'll do it overnight, and then I'll go like this with the wig and kind of like shake it out, and then I'll put it on and I'll just play with it and do this, so that it'll fluff it up just a bit, because I like the way this is looking. This is giving it to me, for me. It's giving for me. Okay, so I'm gonna discuss the products really quick. So last night I tried this for these 3 products on this hair, and I love the results. Okay, so this is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and it strengthens and restores. Okay, this is a shampoo, and it has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. It says cleanse and nourish natural, chemically processed or heat styled hair, and it's sulfate free. Sulfate free products are great for raw hair. I really like this product on this hair. I really do. I went to condition it. I decided to use the moisture rich conditioner, because the other product that I used in the hair, I didn't feel like it was good for the hair. Like, it gave it a little crunch, and I didn't really want a crunch, so I wanted to add a little bit more moisture back into the hair. So I used the Tresemme moisture rich conditioner, and then I did do a leave-in this time. So after I brushed the hair out for the curls with my wet brush, I went in with the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk, and this has silk protein and neem oil. So this is for to curl, define thick curly hair and moisturize it. And again, this is sulfate free as well. Amazing product for your curly or wavy hair, and I would definitely recommend these 3 products together because it worked amazing. Like, my hair is so soft, there is no crunch, and it is holding and it is defined. Like, the waves and the curls on this hair is defined. So freaking beautiful, and it's a little bit more like tight towards the ends, so that's what kind of like the wavy curly thing comes into effect. So this they say that this texture is similar to the 3C type. So if you have 3C hair type, this will blend amazing with your natural hair. Okay, and each bundle weighs about 3.5 to 4 ounces, okay, per bundle, and the longevity is about 5 years or longer. It really depends on your care. So if you care for it correctly, you will be fine. And if you have a wig, for me, if you are going to make it into a wig, it's going to last even longer, okay? And the shipping, if you're wondering about the shipping was pretty fast, okay? And I know, like, you know, a lot of raw hair vendors and people who sell raw hair, the shipping takes forever, but I promise you, I got my hair so fast, which is definitely a plus. So I would definitely recommend this hair. So if I had to give it an overall rating, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. Honestly, raw hair is my favorite hair because there's so much versatility, and literally it lasts forever, and nothing styles like raw hair. So I would definitely recommend it. I would definitely recommend this company. 10 out of 10 customer service. So I'm definitely gonna have everything linked out and down in the bottom bar. So Luxury Hair Silhouette will also be having a huge Black Friday sale on November 26th, 2021, okay, that you do not want to miss out on. You will not need a discount code whatsoever. The discount will be applied at checkout. If you were thinking about getting their Cambodian Luxe Natural Wave or their Cambodian Rich Wavy Curly, I would definitely say this is the time to take advantage of it. So I think that this video is coming right on time. I'm trying to save y'all some coins. So if you were on the market for a wavy curly texture or even just a naturally wavy pattern, check out my video, as well as check out the site. Also, even if you were just thinking about getting accessories like for your wig, if you want that hanger and that storage bag, I would say go on the site and check it out because it is an amazing thing to have for your units, for your bundles, okay? So definitely check out Luxury Hair Silhouette. I highly recommend this company. And yeah, that is pretty much it. If y'all have any questions for me, y'all can ask me down in the comments and I will get back to you. What is your favorite pattern? If you was to get some raw hair, what is your favorite pattern? Let's talk about that. And what are your favorite inches? If you were wondering, this hair also ranges from 12 to 30, so pretty much anybody could get their hands on this hair, okay? If you had this hair inside, if you wanted a bob with this hair, girl, get you some 12 or 14 inches. And if you wanted some long, luxurious hair, get you some 30, okay? But yeah, I will have everything that you need down in the bottom bar for you. And I thank y'all so much for watching, and I will speak to my next video. Bye, y'all.